What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today we're going to take a look at two recently released sneakers. Rather we're going to do a quick unboxing and also I'm going to share my opinion whether how good those sneakers are, because a lot of you guys had been asking me about those sneakers. And also first things first, I forgot to tell you, I got a lot of DMs asking about the resale predictions for the Yeezy 700 V1 Sun. Now honestly I'm not a fan, I do not really like that sneaker. There is a little bit of hype around it because they are the version 1s and apparently people globally are saying that they are the best Yeezy 700s to have released after the Wave Runners, but I do not think so, and this I think is simply a fake hype, and I don't think those sneakers will do extremely well in the short term in terms of resale predictions. So if you have already gone for that sneaker, then please be sure to flip them as soon as you can for whatever you can get, because nowadays the market is very risky and everyone is more inclined towards Jordans only. So I don't know how they would do in the mid to long term. So yeah, that was my opinion about the Suns. Now also in this video we are going to be discussing about my car, because honestly since the time my car has come, it has always been in the workshop for some reason or the other. So we never really got time to discuss about what I really wanted to do with the car in terms of modifications. So that's what we are going to discuss today. So I'm currently headed to my sister's place. She lives in the same building, by the way, just a different block for lunch. Also, by the way, both the sneakers that we are taking a look at today are at her place. So that is what we will be doing there, apart from having lunch, obviously. Hello.
Hi, what's up?
क्या कर रहे हो? सो रहे थे क्या?
पागल है क्या? काम थोड़ी करना
ओहो, बाय द वे, वो रहा ऑफ वाइट का बैग. आपने दिखाया नहीं चैनल पे यार. आपने बोला था चैनल पे आपने ऑफ वाइट का बैग लिया है.
अरे yeah, I've been always wanting to buy.
So what is this? This is a tote?
Yeah, it's a tote.
It's a tote.
Yes, and you can also sling it.
Oh wow, that's cool. I cannot see off white on it.
Sorry.
Oh, so that's the diagonal design. How much did you pay for this bag?
Sachi mein, you want to know how much I paid?
Yeah, how much did you pay?
About 1,07,000 plus some charges of 3-4,000.
और 60,000 ड्यूटी.
Eh, नहीं यहाँ कोई duty नहीं था. It was from Farfetch, so there was no duty.
उसका strap is very nice, yeah. So that's
It's actually little different from that traditional yellow stuff that you've been seeing.
whatever.
Easily.
By the way, she ordered this bag from Farfetch, and Farfetch, if you do not know, already adds up the duties and it ships via DHL. So whatever you order from there comes in about 3 to 4 days, and you don't have to pay any duties. So if you're planning to order from there, then that is the fact about it. So go ahead and order.
Where are you going, Karan?
Arey, for the shoes, na? Oh, what is this?
They are just some shoes, yeah. What is this?
So this is Sonal and Ankur's sneaker closet. In fact, this full room is like a closet and workspace that my sister has created for herself. You could have just worked from the living room. You don't need to waste a full room for this.
Why should I work from the living room? मेरी मर्जी ना यार.
Okay, anyways, where are the sneakers? I need to show people the Volt and the UNLV dunks.
Okay, that's one pair.
Which one is this?
I think these are the dunks.
That is a dunk box, obviously. You're so dumb.
Sorry, what nonsense.
Okay, so these are the recently released UNLV dunks that created a lot of ruckus, because a couple of months back I had said that dunks don't come to India, but we will address that issue a little later. And where is the second pair?
साला मेरा बिकवा दिया और इसके डंक्स आ गए यार. ये क्या है यार नॉनसेंस.
अच्छा दूसरा पैर खोलो यार, टाइम पास मत करो.
अरे रुको तो सही, देखने तो किधर है भाई.
ये कौन सा है?
Oh, these are the Volt goals.
Oh, lovely. So nowadays everyone is doing unboxing, huh? Except for me. Show me.
God, I love
Wow,
this pair, yaar.
these are nice.
I so love the colorway.
So these are the UNLV dunk lows, and obviously as you can see they are inspired by the off-white dunks that had launched I think last year. I'm not very sure. I had that pair and then Sonal took it from me.
Hey, everything
But,
not took it from me. That was my new pair.
So that is the reason why I did not go for these. Both of these sneakers, by the way, were copped on retail by my brother-in-law. That's Ankur. You have seen him before in some other vlogs. So yeah, overall I feel this shoe is pretty nice for the price, especially at retail of 9,000 rupees. And having come to India at that price, it was a pretty good deal. Even though, even if you want to buy them now at resale, I think they're nothing over 12-13k. So if you're looking to cop a pair of these, then I think now is the time you should. Although they won't go as high as the Kentucky and the Syracuse dunks, but they will do pretty well because people nowadays are really following the hype behind the dunks. So yeah, the quality is nice, everything is good about the shoe, nothing negative. The resale won't be as crazy in future, but it's a good deal to buy it for personals. Now let's take a look at the Jordan 1 Volts. So these are the Jordan 1 High Volts. Now this is certainly one of the most underrated pairs because I don't know why, but not a lot of people wanted it, and it was pretty easy to cop it. But nevertheless, it's good that they were not really wanted by a lot of people, and they did not expect the resale to be really high, because a lot of genuine people like my brother-in-law himself could cop it at retail, as he really loved it. I did not go for this one because I already have the Varsity Maze, as you can see, and I don't really like to repeat colors. But either ways, the sneakers are pretty nice. I think the quality is pretty much close to the Moccas, if not as good as Moccas. Also comes with 2 extra pair of laces. And yeah, I think they're also reselling for under 20k. So if you're looking to get into the Jordan 1 highs, then this is definitely the perfect pair to go for it. Alright, so now since we are done with the sneakers, let's talk about the most important thing, that is my car. So the first thing I was planning to do with my car is wrapping my car. So I really wanted to discuss with you guys about what options or what color should I go for on the car. Honestly speaking, the color that I have bought with the car is already amazing in itself, and I don't really want to wrap it. But obviously it's a welcome change if you change the color of the car. You don't really get bored so soon. So that is why I'm considering to change the color of my car for some time, and then probably we can remove the wrap back and again have the current car. So what I'm trying to do in the wrap is probably something inspired by Travis Scott, because since the time I saw his cars wrapped in that brown colorway, I really want to do that. But honestly, that would look better on a SUV or on a supercar. I'm not very sure how it will look on my car, so I need to know.
Bro, but I love your color, yaar. Why you want to change?
अरे but थोड़े टाइम के लिए चेंज करते हैं ना थोड़ा, then we can click, we can get inspired by some sneaker, उसके जैसा बना के we can do some nice fit pics and all. अरे it's change यार, there's a little bit of change. Wrap है ना, वो तो निकल जाएगा.
Sure, let's see. We'll see.
Okay, anyway, so the second option I was thinking was to make the car in bright orange color, which is inspired by one of my recent sneaker pickups, which I haven't yet shared with you guys. So that is the second option, and the third option I'm considering is the Nardo grey color, which is actually an Audi exclusive color, but that color looks really amazing on the car. So I've just done like a 3 basic rough Photoshop for all the 3 inspirations, and I will also put a poll on my Instagram, so go and follow me if you haven't there. And I really want you guys to tell me which one is the best option and what would you guys prefer if you had to wrap your own car. Now leaving behind the wrap, there are also some other things that I want to do with the car, that is putting all the M Performance accessories on the car. Like we'll put the gloss black grille, we'll paint the rims black, or rather change the rims to another black set of rims. Then we'll put a black rear spoiler. So these are all parts from the M Performance accessories. I will again show it to you on the screen here. So in short, I'm trying to put the accessories first and then see how the car looks in the current color, and then probably I will consider, based on what you people also suggest me, whether I should change the wrap or not. So yeah, that's what I want to do with my car. Please do let me know in the comments below what you feel about these changes, and I really want to execute them in this month itself. So that's all from me for today. If you're watching it till here, then please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also please follow me on Instagram, as I'll be doing a poll over there for the wrap of the car. And I will see you in the next video with an early pair unboxing, which was supposed to be in today's video, but it got slightly delayed. But nevertheless, we'll take a look at that on Tuesday, and I'll see you then. Peace.
अच्छा पीस है नाटक नौटंकी क्या नाटक. Okay guys, bye. We'll see you later.